Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? So, we did the market. Congratulations. We're here. We've made it. I think I've made like 12 videos about this so far, but we're here. We made it, okay? In the everything that I crocheted for the market video, I asked you guys to comment kind of like what your predictions would be. What are the best sellers? What are the worst sellers? What do you think is going to do good? What do you think is going to do terribly? So, and you guys delivered, okay? So, this video is my best and worst selling items for the craft market, okay? All of these are going to be crochet, or no, I have all my crochet items plus my sewn items at the end. Let's jump right into it. If this is the first video you're clicking on and you didn't go watch the everything I crocheted for the market video, no worries. I am going to be linking the patterns to everything I'm showing in this video, whether it was the worst or the best. The pattern is linked in the description box below in the order that I say it. Okay, I have the hiccups. The patterns, the tutorials, the patterns, free or paid, will all be linked in the description box below in the order of the items that I say, okay? So whether it's a worst seller or a best seller, you can go make it. Let's jump right into it. Should we start with the worst or the best? I feel like we should save the best for last. So let's start with the worst sellers. So the worst sellers are going to be my four Imkins, my mushroom Imkin, my four Imkins, okay? My mushroom Imkin, my pixie hat one, my witch one, and my alien one, okay? I had four. All price. Oh, and I am going to be telling the prices so that you guys can kind of figure out. And I'm also going to try and figure out why they didn't sell. I priced them at $20. I think it was the price on this one. I think they're about the size of my hand, maybe a little bigger. So I feel like a lot of people see that and don't expect to pay $20, but it took a long time to make, so I had to charge $20, but they didn't sell. So speaking of items that didn't sell, the teddy bear balaclava did not sell. It was priced at $15. I am going to just say it's summertime, so why would someone buy this? It was like 100 degrees, so that's my reason. The giant mushroom pillow. I made one of these priced at $20, did not sell. I think it was the price, or maybe it was the audience. The vibe was just not giving mushroom cottagecore people, so maybe it would have probably sold better at like a Ren Fair or something like that. A Kindle Granny Square cover. I charged $20. I don't think anybody wanted to pay $20 for a Kindle cover. So, that one did not sell. But our next item, which I am so annoyed by this because my two checkered shoulder bags that I made like 3 years ago and I've been trying to sell, did not sell. Neither one of them. And I think it's because they charged $36 a bag. But when you think about it, they're lined, okay? They're lined. They have my brand tag in them. They're handmade. And you spend more than $36 on a bag and it's not handmade. So like, I don't know why those don't sell. I don't know. Maybe you guys have any ideas. Comment down below. And then my market bags. My market bags. I made 3 of them, priced at $35 each. I think for this one, it's going to be the price. I think people didn't want to pay $35. So valid. That's fine. And they didn't buy the mermaid market bag either. It was priced at $20. So keep this in mind when you're making stuff for your show. And then my hanging plant, my string of pearls hanging plant, that was priced at $15, did not sell. I think it was poor choice in the colors I chose. I think it's ugly, but I wanted to try and sell it anyway, and it didn't sell, so I'm pretty sure it's just because I chose ugly colors. The 70s basket, I had one of them for $15 and it did not sell. I think maybe just the price or maybe the way I had it displayed, I'm not sure, but it did not sell. And then my bowl cozies. Now this one's sewn, a sewn item. My last 2 are sewn items. My bowl cozies, I made 6 and sold 1 and they were priced at $13. So I think again, it's just the weather's getting warmer. You don't really need a bowl cozy for your hot soup because it's hot outside. You know what I mean? So our last worst item is the tarot card wraps that I sew. priced at $18. I made 6 of them, sold 2, and I think that's just because of the vibe of the event. It wasn't really the audience for a tarot card wrap, you know what I mean? So that is all of our worst selling items. So let's talk about our best selling items. What you guys really want to know, because if you're going to go to a market, you need to have the best sellers. So leaf sprouts, $8 a pop, okay? $8. I made 13, sold 10. Need I say more? So far, you'll see the trend, but the cheaper priced items sold. So try to make things that you can cheaply price. The sunflower coaster sets were a huge hit. I sold out all 6 of them, $20 each. The Monstera leaf coaster set, all 3 of them, $20 each, sold out. And my succulent coaster set, all 5 sold out, $20 each. So the coaster sets that I thought were going to be a hit were a hit, and so were the smaller items, you know? So the bandanas I made, 3 out of 3, all sold, $15 each. So that was really cool. The Chunky Boy Mushroom plushies, I sold $15 each. I had 6 of them, sold 4 of them. So I didn't quite sell out, but I sold more than half of the stock of them. So take that with what you will. My only jewelry hanger, priced at $30, sold. The Sunny Side Up pot holder, I only had 1 for $15, sold. And then I sold 7 out of the 9 cotton washcloths I brought. And I sold them at $8 a pop. And then those flower coasters I was talking about were kind of like build your own set. I sold 3 out of 5 of them for $5 each. And I didn't end up doing a little deal thing. I just sold them $5 each. So, and then my car plant hangers were $15 each, and I sold all 3 that I brought. So 3 out of 3. I had 1 snake plant for $25, and that one sold. And the flower headbands I made, I brought 12 of them, sold 6 of them, and I sold them for $10 each. So they didn't sell more than half, but I did sell multiple, so I'm counting it as a bestseller. And I got a lot of like, oh, these are so cute. You know what I mean? So, the leggy frogs, I brought 5, sold 5, $8 each. My keychains, I sold 4 out of 6 of them, $8 each. The scrunchies were $5 each, and I sold 10 out of the 12 that I brought. And now we have a couple of my sewn projects. So I did not crochet these items, but my ice cream pint cozies I sold for $14 each. I sold 5 out of the 8 that I brought. For wristlets, $8 each. I sold about 30 out of the 95 that I made. So pretty good. A lot of people bought more than 1 at a time, so that helped, but they were a hit. So if you know how to sew, definitely do those. And the bookmarks were $5 each, and I sold 32 out of 66 that I made. So still good. And then my famous makeup bags that everybody loves, $18 each I sold, and I sold 27 of them out of 37 that I brought. So not bad. Not bad at all, okay? So that is all of the worst and best items out of everything I made for the craft market. Like I said in the beginning, everything I said is listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial. So if you want to make it, the link's down there. Hi, it's Paige from the future. Again, okay? I'm very forgetful. Me in the past is very forgetful. And I wanted to remind you guys that with the new month, there is also a new giveaway on my Instagram. So every month I do a giveaway. You just have to go follow me over on Instagram and look out for the post, and then do whatever the entry requirements are. But I am doing a giveaway again this month. So if you want to get the giveaway item, go follow me on Instagram. If you want to buy any of this stuff, whether it be crocheted or sewn, if it didn't sell, it's on my Etsy shop, and that's also linked down below. So if you want to buy it for you or for a friend, feel free to do so. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.